Hey, how you doing? Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO. So we have this beautiful brand new 2020 Street Glide. Customer tried to do his own install. This is what we ended up with. He's got the gel audio 4-channel marine amp and DSP, taking up all this space in the tour pack. Couldn't get it to sound right, wasn't able to flash the radio, so we're going to take care of that for him. But the main reason I did the video is if you guys are going to do your own install on these new 2020s, the amp goes here. We're going to show you later on after we fix it. This can be removed. You can make a bracket for it and Velcro it. It fits here, it fits over here. This piece can be moved. So this is where the amplifier belongs. So we're going to remove these brackets. We're going to move this. This frees up all this space. We're going to put the amplifier here, and we're going to put the DSP here. We're going to make a bracket, and then this piece will sit perfectly here, and the fairing will be able to go on. So don't be afraid to move this module. This module can be moved out of the way, and then that gives you a perfect spot to put your amplifier here. That way you're not taking up the space in your tour pack like that. I'll show you how nice and clean it comes out when we're done. Okay, now we have the gel audio amp mounted right above the factory radio. The antenna for the LTE communication is moved and mounted with an aluminum bracket onto the front, so it tucks away. And we have the DSR1 right there where we always put it on the new Street Glides. Super clean, and it frees up all the space in the tour pack. Nothing in the tour pack.